Hey guys, so if you just watched that shot bag video, that came from yesterday's find, and also to this fan. And it's a very peculiar, um, interesting malfunction. So this is like an older Galaxy fan. No ratings on the inside I can find, but I mean, the thing is, we're gonna probably have to end up taking it apart anyway. So let me show you guys something. So on 3, it does nothing. On 2, it does nothing. But on 1, and you gotta make it do it. This might take a second. It only does it sometimes. Yeah, here. Let me make it do it. I'll be back. Okay, guys, well, actually, here's something new. It's running on 2 now. Put it on 1. So it was doing the same on 1. So if you just cycle, yeah, you gotta make sure, like, see what's that, 2? You just let it go and it'll spin. Boom, there's 3. That was a nice amount of air. And if we go on to 1. Because it works on 2. And 3. It was running on 1. Let's see if I can make it do it. Okay, so it's only working on 2 and 1 right now. But that's something. So, if I had a bit... Yeah. It's probably that switch right there. See that? You touch it. Yeah, so... I think it's just a switch. You like here, put it on 1. Put it on 2. Trying to prove a point here. You touch it. Yeah, you see it work on 3. See it not working 2? Just really move it around a bit. I don't know. It's finicky. But I'm going to take it apart. I bet you guys don't want to see that. And plus, it'd take me forever. So I'm not really doing disassembly videos. But I mean, if you guys say in the comments you want to see some, then okay. But I guess that'll be it for these 2 trash finds. And yes, for people that were wondering, this is 110. So if I can't get it working, it'll probably go back to America. Just like all my other US fans. So, until then, see ya.